Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of aquatics with an exciting product that we found online, a self-cleaning fish tank starter kit from Coospider. If you're interested in setting up an aquarium or adding some aquatic charm to your home, be sure to check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. The Coospider 10-gallon glass fish tank is designed for both beginners and seasoned aquarium enthusiasts alike. This aquarium kit comes with everything you need to create a beautiful aquatic environment right in your living space. With its sleek glass design and effective features, it provides an enjoyable way to keep fish and aquatic plants. One of the standout features of this aquarium is its built-in temperature monitoring system. This real-time water temperature sensor helps maintain a stable environment, which is essential for sensitive species such as betta fish, shrimp, and guppies. Keeping your aquatic life healthy is a top priority, and this feature ensures that you can do just that, promoting a thriving ecosystem. Next up, let's talk about the 3-color LED lighting system. This innovative feature not only enhances the aesthetics of your tank but also promotes plant photosynthesis, making it ideal for those who want to include live plants. You have the flexibility to switch between 3 different color modes, ensuring your aquarium looks stunning both day and night. Just keep in mind that regular maintenance is still necessary. You'll want to change the water and clean any green algae weekly to keep your tank in top shape. Another impressive aspect of the Coospider aquarium kit is its simple self-cleaning mechanism. The included quiet 3-in-1 pump serves multiple purposes. It filters, oxygenates, and creates a wave-making effect. This reduces maintenance costs by up to 50%, allowing you to enjoy your aquarium without the constant hassle of upkeep. However, if you desire a more rigorous filtration process, you might want to pair it with an additional filter and possibly a sterilizing lamp. The tank itself is made of ultra-clear glass, which has been rigorously tested for durability. It's drop-resistant up to 3 meters, which is a fantastic feature for households with children or pets. The clarity of the glass provides a stunning, distortion-free view of the underwater world, allowing you to fully appreciate the beauty of your fish and plants. Setting up the Coospider tank is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly removable flip-top design. This makes it easy to change and clean the tank, ensuring that both new and experienced aquarium owners can manage it effortlessly. Its attractive design makes it not just a functional piece, but also a lovely decorative element in your home. So, who is this aquarium kit suitable for? It's perfect for anyone looking to start their own aquatic adventure, whether you're a beginner or someone who has experience but wants a low-maintenance option. It's also a fantastic gift idea for children or friends who are interested in keeping fish. The Coospider tank can serve as a breeding tank for shrimp or snails, or simply as a vibrant habitat for betta fish and other small aquatic creatures. In summary, the Coospider 10-gallon glass fish tank is a well-crafted starter kit that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. With its temperature monitoring, LED lighting, self-cleaning features, and durable glass design, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a splash of life to their space. Thanks for watching.